Dr. Engineer Ken Ashigbe ending command pay or convener the coalition media coalition against Galamsey. Na anopay in Komaya Shas regional minister directive or diaba. So far abano so 1 month ni na yeso Mampeni John Dramani Mahama in as president. My am share how we monitor abano in terms of the fight. Too early say ye best start a question, a demand fight to be from government. Doc, good morning.
Good morning.
Number 2, Apomboko dear. Ahaboko, Asantimante Muboko. Na the Mamma will start 1 month since President John Dramani Mahama take over as the president. On Galamsey commitment any campaign some more kai woman but what do any monitor president within the conversation when you engagement on the Ghana for enya do you sense that will say or the beko Galamsey no ewo
well that's it now you in a very chronological order.
Okay.
Osha na in some last year no it's August yet it is in some money from water Ghana Water Company Limited which has such a human treatment plant they call 14,000 NTUs instead of 5,000 now Ghana phone ya sorry waka more coalition media coalition any others ever bomb Ghana coalition against Galamsey. I say on Mampini that's on your Nomedia. Good now on 1 year. Yes, sign a pact with presidential candidate, you know. Now, His Excellency John Mahama, the first presidential candidate to sign here. Any vice president, Baumia, then also sign any another 6 others almost sign here. Now, since Abaiba. No, you will say immediately now all our crimes before we take you over no almost 30 hours because some of us corruption hard you know Ghana and now you say energy so now you basa and John Junap honorable John Junap almost you forming committee be our mudi wujuma now you say SHS for so many need Abiani and now also your committee be forming almost a solve the problem. But now you're sure, Galamsey media. I dear no Kuya, I mean, I can't now, apart from the fact that we share president, 120 day social contract on Ghana for signing, number 19, or committed to say, Obeku Gajusi. But 20th December, Ashanti region. Journalist back for him in Kenya. Call one of the Galamsey sites I born on Basabasa. If you like to say after elections now transition now you who in 2016, 2017 I started to keep it. Criminal MPP for no more Galamsey no and a criminal NDC for the started to take over. And also we share Bonsa River water which no the BDT no I bad I nuka so omakulusi sa water plant and keep coach ka ya kati sia omoka omunsu so enchedai nti Ghana coalition against Galamsey we throw His Excellency John Dramani kai no normal and no kai before pass and then sign and I say at least you so on the ministers no year that time no na Honorable Kofi Boakye announced on issue a season disaster order. Now, after that, we will say there's been some action that has taken place. Yate EPA for normal maka, President John Mahama Nankasa issue orders to the Minister for Interior and the Attorney General. Say, making sure say conformity involved in the Galamsey. Now I'm saying Honorable Kofi Boakye so cooperating on also can normally and afterwards the president so also man another marching order and now to say Ashanti regional minister so and also ultimatum. We will come to the details of ultimatum. At least some action is beginning to take place, but is it adequate enough? Is it commensurate with problem now at hand? Those are the ones I say we but to the thing is that the same favor, the same pressure you in August, and the same pressure now in this month. Now you bought Mampini and Napanko. Now you to two at the because at the end now high the fire. The only thing this is so to be considered the fact that Mampini to buy after some or Shisha Napan for Noma. You give a bit of that. But I think you said between that time I able to me I Ghana Libya of the Ubiano I get one life too much. It is important say amount for now year no express now immediately form any other regulatory bodies almost still in power almost at post and some year wage making sure society is
I see, but from the look of things, what can say previous administration no approach omode fighting yes omode fighting galamsey illegal mining a failure that approach you know what do you expect abai if say abai and person be failing the fight against illegal mining now approach be na be propose it to them me yebeba regional minister there no so ultimatum or issue no so there but I want us to look at that say we chase some out and I say we'll go after them so what would be the approach our own is a buying person ko adopt here ebebo na management successful in the fight.
Well, the first thing now about that it will to be Kubu now His Excellency Nanado been the presidency or Kata prepared to put his presidency on the line 2017 2018 who say is your minister exercise I'm a normal improvement getting to 2019 airport also 2020 elections not the necessary. What then changed the biggest thing was the lack of the political will to fight the Valentino. The fact that Minister for Lands and Natural Resources in 2024 and 2020 appointed out Apunta Mining a year involved in an illegality. This is Ashanti is now NPP chairman. What did the government do about this? Nothing. We need President Asia Ufredia our program there. Maybe this is chairman of program. No, special guest of honor. If you didn't hear me, chairman should matter. Now, Mr. President, Apunta Mining has said me, you hear me then. Obedience or no bear so obey any statement. No, because Apunta Mining Apunta Mining was not involved in volunteer as you see. That's right of the level of the lack of political will to fight it. Because when people obey, yes, I did, you don't deal with them. And then who open floodgates, for everybody else to get involved in it. Yet, Busumika, Minister MTO, so DC,
DC, yeah.
DC.
Yeah, that's so.
Confessing to an illegality. Who will take a 2 for Caden obey? President then or say, Papa, will see, yes, I can say, now tell me not the mining act. There is no way in the Minerals and Mining Act, a cartel, to be a carbon now. The other is to be the ideas. The two for nine for better trails for Omoyan. Immediately waiting for West Germany because that is what in our tradition of Fumaye. But young people from they decided that they were not going to deal with these issues. Instead, the first thing was the lack of political will. Based on that, you found out there the firefighters in California, you saw almost the firefighters had become the accident. It was one of the major causes of Galamsey. In California, you saw almost at the end of it was a fundamental challenge, and even the law enforcement angles, answered that because police were not Obiafre. Professor Prepo was document, a lot of people, even in the Jubilee House, were mentioned as being involved in Galamsey. But what happened? Nothing. So, say, a brand new person or when you have some nice Excellency John Mahama client on the campaign platform there. Or no, not being why you know it's not going to allow you to be getting involved. It's one of the first things I saw here. And so making sure that nobody I cannot buy will be involved in it. And meeting Ghana coalition, you are petitioning His Excellency John Mahama, no speaker, any IGP about allegations I went traditional council for about Omo MPO. And I'm happy to IGP or Ministry of General Ama Director General CID on my friend Yembra. But that's going to be the very first thing as you're making sure that political will never and we deal with those of influence, the political people, presidents, you know, or not main people now. I'm saying, and to show now, I'm sure you don't make sure so you get involved. You get so hard, that is the first thing. The next thing also is the I see a harnessing the power of your traditional leaders, no? The local communities. I see a few about now you're making sure somebody who say, you almost said yes, and they said, I've been making sure that they are involved in the whole processes of, getting mining at the cost. Now, the other thing, so a man of the say, 2462, forest reserves, I've had all of this since President Nakasobe revoked. Some of them very transparently. Now, and then says, NBC media, but now we can NBC media and the Okoyane Akocho. And now we need to car, would be Okoyane Akocho, and Sikafondia, Omoya. So, those are some of the things that important. Another important thing is to attitudinal change. I say it changes the mindset of our youth. No more who say, Uka will touch him and now put a water tuna and Nambi Nawina, and you're Nambi Nawina. Now, say they are almost yet over to almost say assassin among us, no man, and you idea the boy. And you say, you're making sure to your best that attitude not change. And some of the things somebody about going board, no man, they are all good things. I say, Uka MPP manifesto, they also had some very important things. I would suggest to His Excellency that some of the things in the MPP manifesto, sometimes almost account with the now you to me, believe to say you're making sure that you have geological surveys in places. I'm making sure that you have space among small scale miners, undermining. All of those things are good things. I've had some work on some medium scale mining. So medium scale mining, among the medium scale mining, there are no young farmer foreigners in count. You're making sure that small scale mining, any medium scale mining, at the domain of Ghanaians. Now you're making sure that you're providing resources among mining. Community mining also, as you actually, community mining just became a bit of another avenue for political apparatus to be able to get places to mine and mine responsibly. As you're making sure that you cut a community mining, the mines will be owned by the community. And performing as a from so many portion, and for all, and so many portion, district assembly, and so many portion, and conform a Juma or as a community. Now, conform over Acadian on the way, and conform with Sika, on the almost so much have them as partners, almost them as partners. At the end of the day, mining never be can be called to make sure they restore us. The rest of it, you don't make sure they process gold in Oman. Now, seeking for infrastructure can be community development. A bit of a bit of assembly, a bit of a handful. Now, you have the side, community, and own so that almost so much are developing. These are some of the ideas.
I see.
But at the back of all of that, I say an engagement. Now you're making sure we all contribute our mind.
Okay.
So they are paying for come. We need to stop it.
Now, you're the regional minister, Ashanti regional minister. Now, some 2 weeks or tomorrow, on our war specifically or say on war in forest reserves him and one more in water bodies so more a juma illegal mining so we declare say after 2 weeks they will take action until 2 weeks or clear from those areas. A good start for him. I don't know what I say Obeka said that statement a statement say he's ready to fight Galamsey in the Ashanti region.
Well, let me say, on the top of that, it sounds like a good suggestion that people should stop what they are doing. But my question I will ask Cecilia says, Chief, so what for a chief now? What could be here now? Oh, Robbie, I better say about 2 weeks. Continue robbing that 2 weeks, no, a year robbery, and Zana, you. Insurance should be on. Insurance should be in there are laws against that and illegality. You cannot tell anybody involved in an illegality say 1 month in 2 weeks. That cannot happen. So anybody is raping your family. Wabafa we know or rape your man. What I tell you for 2 weeks. And now Obia apetio no mo say omo be say Ghana omo attack Ghana omo mo 2 weeks or omo few after 2 weeks. This is an illegality. The laws of this country say, oh, my name is so, and now in Kenya, and an illegality. For that one, I would have thought that immediately the minister would have said, get out of that place. That we are coming after you. But to say that they should take away the evidence of the fact that they were involved in an illegality, that they should continue doing that thing for 2 weeks. How many 2 weeks before you come and deal with it? But in 2 weeks, you know the damage an excavator sitting in a forest reserve would do. So I would have thought the ultimatum was good.
Mm-hmm.
But the details of it, unless a man sees but the 2 weeks, you know, they should 2 weeks to move out their things from there, especially on the water body.
Yeah.
Any chamfan, I won't show you, whatever they are doing, it's an illegality. The impact of that on us, no, is so grievous. We will not be saying we're giving those people 2 weeks to do that. So that one, I think that the details of it.
But by this, you know, Metwasi and I just said 2 weeks, you know, a dozen.
So I don't think that ensuring so many there, they deserve it in a minute. You know, so it is to tell them that they should leave immediately. And then he is going to get the people to come, you know, to get the security forces to come after them. If it is those people are more forest reserves, no more. More licenses, no normal president should be revoked here or see a move few of that. That is different. And if it's even the fact that on one kata mobilization, they take it 2 weeks for that, then he doesn't need to put that out. It's to tell them that immediately they should get out of those places, and they are going to be coming after them. And if they are able to the law will deal with you according to the way that. And when I get here, maybe anyone there, and man or order that. Now a tumba, he will come after you. If you those things, I don't think he should have been giving them tools to do that.
I see. But so it means that omo those areas because ultimatum na ba other say 2 weeks, you know. Ebe mbodi wo ma matimi aye adwuma within that short period, no, to destroy our water bodies.
Nka nkade na be. Ya ma 2 weeks ade ye ube dai no. Afi ansa na chanfans no so 2030 a or ba ko 2 weeks so. Afi ansa na ba ko pre generator I make sure so be mine you know 24/7. In so me say na you know 13 days no. Ma almost start to demobilize them no ma. O be you no ma so fi ho. That's what they are going to do. And that for me is the challenge with this particular ultimatum, you know, Honorable Minister Nano.
See, now the security, as we speak, is there about no taking shape on the day. What time, Ankasana, if the coalition would want to start and then critically assess Abanyi ne fighter, what period and a Modebema government say Abanyi be taking shape? And Sana, who said fight to not start gidigidiana.
Well, I'm not too sure for us as the coalition. What we want to do is to stand aside and you then come later and criticize government. What we would want to do is to be able to support government in the fight. If you say a media coalition, most started in 2016, 2017, we were supporting government and exposing it. And we are now so as a media coalition there, what we are going to do is to, at this stage, it would be to support government. It would be to say, how can we help government fight this particular thing? What are the things that we need to do? It's in there, more other things I'm making about adverts, you're dedicating time to be able to discuss ultimately me a minister Ediama. More money left with amount for better. Some of you are going to some of these places, are more exposed to family. All of that, we are playing our role as the fourth estate of the realm to support the fight. In the end, we will support the government. No, Papa, there are two forms of the realm. You better support it. Places where we have to offer policy alternatives, you better support it. And make me share honorable people are our parliament. And on our catch them, they will reach out to us. Already go for PMMC, they had reached out for media coalition to come for some of these engagements. Our focus would be to support. The only thing I'm and platform is to say, various bodies are sorry against Galamsey in August, September, October, November, December. We need to wake up again. Various organizations from labor to various professional bodies. Sorry. Now, current government, because of Ghana, it's not about one another power and one another power. If you want a man, you want a pound for our form. Now you know woman. Yes, I did the young train camera, and that's a money and son, you're better. If you have work with people, you so money, you're fine. But I'm pretty sure a few of the signs are on the table. The only things are they the best things to be done? Are there ideas of share Academy of Arts and Sciences? Almost about a 16-page paper, normal year. Ghana Institution of Engineering, they also came up with some solutions. Presidents, no young honorable people. No, should see the able to acquire the no making sure so Biara or upon any day will expose the person. Now you're making sure the young people. I am here for Duma started, I win traditional council. Almost all against someone, see the Oman PD and yet MP necessary Yampa. The catcher IGP ship. IGP accepted a special task force. Almost the ship. Those are the way to go. They're making sure that BBC are contaminating. Former minister, Ebon Omudino. That can continue. Some of them are from Nayani Omokoko. Omudipimo, then you said now the mining act as amended in 2019. Then you will share the deepest part of the tree.
Right, Mira Medasiano Pay, Yamia Domabri Private and Commerce. Thank you very much.
No matter how I say, if you don't to us, we're making sure that Ghana be free.
Medasi.